So today's question is we are going to design finite automata for the set of strings divisible by 2 over decimal number system. For designing finite automata, we should know Q, sigma. Only two things are required. So what is sigma? It is given in the question decimal number system. So if the decimal number system is given, we are going to design the entire number. We are going to find out that. So that is we are going to find out by using sigma closure, by using this formula. After finding this formula, using this formula, we are going to get this value. We are going to, after collecting all this value, what we are going to do, we are going to find out the Q. So what is Q? For finding Q, we should start solving the question manually. So what is the question? We are going to start finding the number which are divisible by 2. So starting the number with 0 with the 0, if you are going to divide with 2, the remainder will be 0. 1 if you are going to divide with 2, remainder will be 1. 2 if you are going to divide with 2, remainder will be 0. 3 with the remainder 1, 4 with remainder 0, 5 with remainder 1, 6 with remainder 0. So based on the remainders, we are going to divide your sigma into two groups. In one group, it consists of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is going to produce remainder 0. And the second group consists of the number as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is going to produce remainder as 1. So sigma is divided into two groups. Now this all the things that we had decided based on the single digit number from 0 to 9. What about if the number is of two digit number? For example, number 10. So number 10, when is divided by 2, remainder will be 0. 11 also with the remainder 1. Now what about the three digit number? For example, so 1, 1, 2. So when we are going to divide with 2, so 1 out of 11, when we are going to divide 11 by 2, so remainder will be 1. So this remainder will be considered as a previous remainder that we are going to consider while solving the rest of the portion. So this remainder 1 will be treated as a Q1 state. So now then Q1 with the next bit as 2. So Q1 will represent remainder 1. That we have to remember while solving our next portion, while designing our transition function. Next bit 257. When we are going to divide 2 by 2, remainder is 0. So remainder 0 is indicated. Remainder 0 is indicated by the state Q0. So now Q0 with the next bit is 5. So that we are going to consider. Q0 represent output 0. Q1 represent output as 1 or the previous remainder 1. For example, 113 also. 11 when we are going to divide by 2, remainder will be 1. So this is indicated by the Q1. So when we are going to design the state transition function, this we are going to consider. If it is Q1, that means the remainder is 1. If it is Q0, that means remainder is 0. So here we are having two state as Q0 and Q1 that we are going to consider as the state function Q. So here we have the state function Q as Q0 and Q1. Now for designing the state transition diagram, Q on sigma produces Q. That is, sigma consists of two group, consists of even number and odd number. Now Q0 on 0, that is the previous remainder as 0. Previous remainder 0. Q0 means the previous remainder as 0. So that we had already discussed. Q0 represent previous remainder 0 with the next bit as 0. Okay, that we had taken this example here. 2 divided by 2, previous remainder as 0 with the next bit as 5. Here previous remainder as 0 with the next bit as 5. What number is generated here is 0, 0. What number is generated here is 0, 5. Okay, so 0, 0. 0, 0 means number 0, whether it is divisible, yes. Which state represent remainder 0 or the number is divisible by 2. Remainder 0 represent that. For remainder 0, which state we had taken? We had taken Q0. So that's why Q0 on 2, 4, 2, 6, 8, it is going to Q0 state. Now Q0 with the next bit as 1. Q0 represent remainder 0 with the next bit as 1, produces remainder or the number 1. Number 1 is not divisible. Not divisible means remainder 1 in the case of divisibility by 2, and that is indicated by which state? That is, in the remainder 1 is represented by the Q1 state. So what we are going to write? Q1 state. Now Q1 with the next bit as 0. Q1 represent previous remainder as 1 with the next bit as 0. So previous remainder as 1 with the next bit as 0. will create number 10. When the number 10 is divisible, yes, it is divisible. With state represent divisibility by 2, state Q0 represent divisibility by 2. So here state Q0. Now Q1 with the next bit as 1. Q1 represent previous remainder as 1 with the next bit as 1 will make number 11. Number 11 is divisible by 2. Which state represent no answer or the remainder 1. Remainder 1 is represented by state Q1. Now before moving to the next step, we have to mark the final state. So here for marking the final state is already mentioned in the question. What is asked in the question will be your final state. In the question it was asked number divisible by 2. So here we state represent divisibility by 2. It is Q0. So Q0 will be marked as a final state with the asterisk. So we have to put an asterisk in front of the state which is according to the question. So here Q0 will be our final state. Now we have to draw the state transition diagram. How we are going to draw? Here we have to mark the initial state. So Q0 is the initial state plus according to the table it is the final state. How we are going to mark the final state? By putting double circle. Now Q0 is the final state also, initial state also. Q1 is the initial state. Now Q0 on the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 where it is going to Q0. So Q0 on 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 where it is going? It is going to itself. Q0 on 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 where it is going? On 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. It is going to Q1. Now Q1 on 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 where it is going? So Q1 on 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So Q1 on 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 it is going to Q0 by putting this arrow. Q1 on 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Where it is going? It is going to itself. Now what is Q? Q we had already written here. Q is this one. What is sigma? Sigma is given. Transition diagram is given. Now what about the initial state? Initial state in our case is Q0. What is F? F is also Q0. So this is how we had designed the finite automata for divisibility by 2 over decimal number system.